Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Let's make this Mexican tortilla casserole together. This is very quick and easy to make and amazingly tasty. So you just gather a few simple ingredients and let's get started. Place 1 pound of ground beef in a fairly large frying pan. Place your heat moderate to high and break it apart with a fork and start to brown the meat. Let it fry, stirring it once in a while. Meanwhile, you'll need an onion and a jalapeno pepper. I believe both of these are essential in this dish. So if you're going to do some substitutions, not these two. And just before the meat is fully fried, I add half a cup of chopped onions. And stir the onions into the ground beef and continue frying. Now back to the peppers. I use 2 types of peppers, the jalapeno and the red bell pepper. And they should both be chopped fairly fine like this. Then I add 1/4 cup of chopped red bell pepper to the meat mixture. This is a sweet pepper, but it adds a lot of color too. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped jalapeno peppers. This is considered a medium hot pepper, but it can have a range of pungency. This creates a little bit of a heat to this dish, but not so much that it burns, which is exactly how I like it. Now add 1 24-gram package of taco seasoning. This equals about 1½ tablespoons. Now I have used an envelope that you can buy in the grocery store, but you can make your own taco seasoning. If you've already watched my video on the taco salad, I show you there how to make the taco seasoning and have it stored in the cupboard for recipes like this. So if that's what you're using, the homemade seasoning, then you would just use a generous 1½ tablespoons. Then add 1 can of corn, and this amount would be about 1.5 cups of corn. So that's around 341 mils or about 12 ounces. Then stir it in until it's all well distributed. Then add 1½ cups of diced canned tomatoes. And once again, stir it in until it's well combined. Add 1¼ cup of black beans that are from the can. Be sure to drain and rinse them before adding them to the meat mixture. Now stir these in really well. Now continue to simmer on the stove until this is heated through really well. Grease a casserole dish that's about 1.5 quart size. Line the bottom of your dish with 3 soft tortillas. Next, get your meat mixture off the stove and only add half of it to your casserole dish. And just pour it in or spoon it in, whatever works, and that's about half, right about there. Next, add 1 cup of sour cream on top of this. And just spoon it on in blobs or pour it on the best you know how. Spread it out evenly so that the whole casserole has some over it. And this is just enough sour cream to add to the flavor and texture of the casserole. Now layer it with 3 more soft tortillas. Then add the rest of your meat mixture. Of course, take a large spoon and spread that out evenly. Then place that in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. And when it's baked, remove it from the oven, add 1 cup of Tex-Mex cheese. Of course, this cheese is shredded. And just take a fork like this, spread it out evenly to the corners, and make sure that you add it right away when it comes out of the oven, because it's just going to melt on top like this and you don't even have to put it back in the oven. Set that aside to melt. So when the cheese is melted, go ahead and dish some up. Garnish it with a little bit of salsa, some sour cream, a few olives on the side, and maybe even a few tortilla chips on the side. Or you just go ahead and eat it like it is. It's tasty enough that you really don't need all the extras. But just a few ideas anyway. Thanks for watching today's episode, and we'll talk to you next time.